Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 2 of paper 3-2 of IGCSE exam series February-March 2019. The question says figure 2.1 shows students getting onto a school bus. A student describes part of the journey. The bus accelerates from rest at a constant rate for 10 seconds. So this is the first part. When the bus started from rest, and at a constant rate it accelerates for 10 seconds. It reaches a maximum speed of 10 meters per second. The bus maintains a constant speed for 10 meter per second for 60 seconds. So this is the second part of the journey when the bus is maintaining its speed for 60 seconds. And in the last part, the bus then decelerates at a constant rate for 15 seconds until it stops. So this is the third part of the journey which is given to us. On figure 2.2, draw the speed time graph for this part of the journey made by the bus. So in the first part, we would be starting from origin. So the first point is here, and then we would reach a maximum speed of 10 meter per second in 10 seconds. So another point would be marked over here. So I'm drawing a straight line since it is a constant acceleration part. So the gradient of speed time graph would be constant. Now remember, when we try to find the gradient of speed time graph, we find or get the acceleration. And if a constant acceleration is to be shown, then we have to draw a straight line. So constant acceleration is shown by drawing a straight line because straight lines have fixed or constant gradients. Okay, so the second part of the journey, there is a constant speed for 60 seconds. So it means that the constant speed would start from this point and would continue until the object or the bus reaches this point of 70 seconds. So now I'm drawing the second part of the journey, which is a constant speed. So it would be represented by a horizontal line, means that the gradient is 0, there is no acceleration, the speed is maintaining its value at 10. And now the final part of the journey, the bus decelerates at constant rate for 15 seconds. So from this moment onwards, 70 seconds onwards, we have a 15-second interval till 85 when the bus decelerates. So again, for deceleration, constant deceleration, we have to make a straight line starting from this point, and we have to connect this line at the interval or the moment of 85. So this is the point which is 85, 0 when the speed has become 0 and the bus has stopped. So this is the region 1, and this is the region 2, and this is the region 3, and it is plotted according to the given information. The next part says on part of the journey, on another part of the journey, the average speed of the bus is 7.5 meters per second. Calculate the distance the bus travels in 150 seconds. Now, distance is given by distance is equal to average speed multiplied by time. If I want to write it in symbols, I could write it as D is equal to V average multiplied by time. So average speed is given to be 7.5 and the time is given to be 150. So the answer would be 1125 meters. And for IGCSE stream, this answer is acceptable and it would be written in the answer space. For GCSE, we have to convert it into two significant figures. So for that, it could be written as 1120, and then further it could be written as 1100 meters. So the answer would be written according to the requirement of the exam that we are attempting. The question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.